Starting over later in life isn't failure, it's wisdom. Starting over later in life can feel embarrassing. People wonder, shouldn't I have this figured out by this time now? But starting over isn't failure. As I said, it's wisdom. It means you've lived enough to know what doesn't work. It means you're willing to choose peace over pride. Many people restart careers, income paths, or creative projects later than they ever imagined. Not because they failed, but because life evolved. There is no deadline on growth, no age limit on contribution, no rule that says your best years are now behind you. Heck, I'm 74. My best are still coming. The courage to begin again, thoughtfully and intentionally, is one of the strongest decisions a person can make. Reinvention isn't weakness, it's strength refined by experience. Check out some other videos I've posted and let me know and subscribe too if there's any questions you should have.